Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company MMC Group. They're looking for a remote benefits verification specialist. It pays up to $16 an hour. Position summary: under general supervision of an operations manager, you will contact insurance companies to verify patient-specific benefits for programs we administer. We'll ask appropriate questions regarding patients' benefits and complete data entry and/or appropriate forms to document patients' benefits coverage. Primary duties and responsibilities: reviews all patient insurance information needed to complete the benefit verification process. Triage cases with missing information to appropriate program associate. Verifies patient-specific benefits and precisely documents specifics for various payer plans, including patient coverage, cost share, and access provider options. Could include documenting and initiating prior authorization process, claims appeals, etc. Reports any reimbursement trends, delays to management. Job type: full-time. Pay $16 per hour. Benefits: 401k, health insurance, paid time off, vision insurance. Schedule: 8-hour shift, Monday to Friday. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notify viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.